Sean Davies. I'm here at the Hexagon conference showing a new product we've developed called Smart Command, which allows robots to go on security patrols through buildings, and sort of like what a security guard would do. It will go through a warehouse or some type of building looking for problems. The robot has on it various sensors such as gas sensors, heat sensors, different things that can generate alarms. And what our software will do is show problems that the robot encounters, and an operator can look at those problems, those alarms that have gone off, and through the video that the robot has on it, see what exactly those problems are and whether a human response is warranted. Very powerful software. You're able to not only send the robot on patrols, you can control the robot directly. You can say, go to this location in the building, I want to see if there's any problems there. You have it turn on flashers and do various operations. The robot we're using is from Gamma 2. In this case, the robot's name is Ramsey. And what it will do is have all sorts of functions so that you can create a patrol path, and at different points along the patrol, the robot will stop and do certain actions based on what you want it to do. The reason this is a good idea is it's very cost effective, and a lot of times for security patrols, it's tedious work. And if you think about a third shift in a warehouse where 99% of the time nothing happens, it really isn't cost effective to have a human security guard. And so if you can use a robot to be the eyes and ears and to report that information to someone, it's a very cost effective and nice way of doing things. So this is Smart Command. It's cloud-based, so as long as you have a browser and have access to the internet, you can get to it. What we have here is we have a map of the conference center, and on the map right here, this is Ramsey the robot. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show how to send it on a patrol. These are patrols that have been created, which is basically a series of points that you want the robot to go to and perform a particular action. I'm going to send the robot on this patrol, which is called Hexagon Progressive Tour, and I'll have a series of robots that are available to me. In this case, the robot I'm using is Ramsey 5. I'll select Ramsey 5 and then send it on a patrol. So what will happen is here at the top we have the patrol that's currently running, and then other patrols that we might want to send the robot on. And what you'll notice is as I go in, this is Ramsey. This is its view cone, which is its cameras, what it's actually going to see, and these are the series of points that it's going to go on. This first point is flashing, and that's where it's going to start the patrol. So as it's going on the patrol, you can see its view cone, where it's facing. At each one of these check marks, it's going to be performing actions. And then on the other screen, we see the robot's onboard video. It has 5 cameras on it. Right now we're looking at the front, back, and PTZ camera. It also has FLIR images, and we can see it moving on the map as it goes around its patrol area. And then on the right side we have the points that it's going to and whether it found any problems. If it finds a problem, it's going to generate an alarm that security operators can respond to. You can also see these alarm symbols here, and that's where it's found a problem. It generates an alarm. I then can go in, if I can find my mouse, and take a look at the alarms that it found. And I can respond to those alarms in various ways. I can go in and acknowledge the alarm, meaning I take responsibility for the alarm. Once I look at the video and determine whether it's legitimate or not, I can remove it from my list of alarms by clearing it or dismissing it. And that's how I take care of alarms in the software.